welcome to my channel. Here I will be showing you how you can um, apply the principle of tangency to connect two arcs together internally. How we can use the principle 2 to connect two arcs together internally. What I mean by that is that we want to draw an arc that we connect two circles together, and those two circles, they will sit inside the curved part of the circle, or the arc. So that's what I mean by that. But we see how I'm going to do it now. So we need uh four things here to make use of. So as I've written it here, we need radius r1, small letter r1, it can be capital letter, so we just need r1, so which is 20 millimeters here. We need r2, which is 30 millimeters for the circles. So we have what we have. The first circle has its radius to be 20, the second circle has its radius to be 30, and then we need the radius of the arc that we use to connect the two circles together. So that is capital letter R equals 70, and then we need center distance. So the first thing that we need to do here is to draw the center distance 70 millimeters. So all right, so center distance 70 millimeters. So that's the first thing that we need to do. So this is 70 millimeters. So center distance. So I'm going to label the center. So I will call this A, and I will call this B. So these are the two centers. So the next thing I'm going to do is to take the radius of the small circle, which is 20 millimeters. So I take 20 millimeters on my ruler like this. So put the big point at A here, and I will draw a circle. So draw a circle like this. Okay, so the next thing is I will take the radius of the big circle, which is 30 millimeters. 30 millimeters. So I play the pinpoint here, and I will draw a circle like this. Alright, so those are the two circles. So the next thing that we are going to do now, for us to draw the arc that we connect these two circles together, and these two circles, they will sit inside. We can construct it up here or down here, anywhere that we like it. I want to construct it down here. I want it to be down here. So what we need to do now is to do a simple calculation. So for this center, for this circle A, or for this circle with center A, I'm going to do a simple calculation. So here I have RA. So this RA is equal to the radius of the arc that we want to use to connect these two circles together, which is R, so which is 70 millimeters, as we have here 70 millimeters. So minus the radius of this small circle, the radius of the arc that we want to use to connect these two circles together, minus the radius of the small circle, so which is R1, as we have it, which is 20 millimeters. So we have 70 minus 20 is equal to 50 millimeters. So I will take a measurement of 50 millimeters. So 50 millimeters. So from my ruler like this. Okay, so I've taken 50 millimeters. So whenever we are to draw an arc that will connect these circles together internally, so the arc that we are going to make, the center of the arcs that we are going to make use of should be up here. So what I mean is this. So as I've put this radius 50 millimeters at the center A here, I will draw an arc up here. So I'll draw an arc up here. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is that I will find RB. So RB is the radius of this circle B, or circle with center B. So radius of this center B. So we are going to subtract it from the radius of the arc that will connect these two circles together. So and if I look at that, so we have what we have, that will be 70 minus 10, because the radius of this circle is 30 millimeters, and that will give us 40 millimeters. So I will take a measurement of 40 millimeters. So 40 millimeters from the ruler. So I will put this at the center here, and I will draw an arc here like this. So I will still need to go back to this because they didn't intersect, so I have to make sure they intersect. So I have to take that 50 again. Okay, so this 50, so I put back at the center here and intersect here. So next thing I'm going to do is to take a measurement of the arc that will connect these two circles together internally. So that is 70 millimeters. So I'll take a measurement of 70 millimeters. So this is 70 millimeters. So I'll put the main point at the center here, at the point of intersection of the arcs. So it will surely touch a part of this circle somewhere around here. As you can see here, this is it. So it touches this part here. So the next thing to do is for me to draw the arc. So the arc will go like this. So this is it. So you can see. So this is it. So we have connected these two circles together with the use of this arc. So this arc now, so we say this circle, this arc, it connects the circles together internally because the two circles are sitting inside the curved part of the arc. So here we have the point of tangency. So this point, so is the point of tangency. In case we are asked to indicate the point of tangency, that's the first point of tangency, and this point also is also the point of tangency. And we are asked to indicate the center of arcs. So this is center of arc. So I can call this point, I can call it point P, where the two arcs intersect. So it's as simple as I've shown it here. All you need to do is to practice, and also you can be asked to construct it here and here. So if you have to construct it up here, that means the center of the arc is supposed to be down here. It's as simple as I've explained. All you need to do is to practice it. Thank you and God bless you.